All right, so when we are going from log form to exponential form, it's the exact same numbers, it's just how we write them. So log form we know is log base b of a equals x. And if you remember back to what we talked about, b is the base, and a log gives me the exponent, so what it equals to is the exponent. And then a is the solution, so the number of the base. Right? And so we can see that those same values end up over here as base, exponent, solution. So when we're rewriting them, we need to be able to identify those three pieces of either the exponential or log form. So when I'm looking at log, the 4 is the base. So in exponential form, it's the base of the exponential part of the equation. 64 is the solution, so it's what it equals to. And then a log always tells me the exponent, so the exponent goes there. So remember, a log is just another way to write an exponent. So if I'm given log form and I'm told to write it in exponential form, it's important that I pick out the important pieces. So 5 is the base, because it's log base 5, and I know that a log is the exponent. So this gives me the exponent, and this is the solution. So if I were to rewrite this in exponential form, it's 5 to the third equals 125. And that is all I do. All right, so let's look at example 1. In all of these, we're rewriting them in exponential form. So if I can remember, this is my base. A log is an exponent. And 14 to the second, the solution is 196. All right, go ahead and try the remaining examples on your own. All right, go ahead and check your answers and see how you did going from log form to exponential form.